What's up, guys? That's right, we're back again on another video, but we're talking about the Ram today and why I haven't been driving it. So this is why I haven't been driving it, because it's irritated the heck out of me. So as you can see, I'm missing the center cap. Well, you're gonna ask, well, how the heck did that happen? I don't know. I think it flew off, it cracked, it did something, because I still have the screws that hold the cap together. This is a Rbp Tribute Wheel. A lot of you guys have asked me about this wheel. And guess what? We got bad news, guys. Bad news. So yeah, guys, I don't know. Rbp, they went out of business, guys. Rolling Big Power has been around for, I would say, 20 years at least. And come to find out, they sold out. They went bankrupt, and another company supposedly bought them. I don't know who it is, but we can't get the center caps. That's a big problem, guys. So missing one center cap looks horrible. So what do you do in that situation? There ain't nothing you can do. I've been searching. I bought a center cap. I thought it was the right one. I had found it on eBay, but nope. It's too small. So that's the dilemma when you buy wheels and you're trying to find something that nobody else has. That's like me. I try to find something that nobody else has so I can run a different wheel than somebody else got. A lot of people out there that are running wheels that are all the same. And it's like, man, you know, I don't want, no offense, but I don't want to be the 25th guy in town that's running the same wheels, or the 5th guy, you know. But so I guess we're gonna have to get some wheels. There's nothing wrong with that. The only problem is I've been looking and can't seem to find the ones I like. I thought about just taking all the center caps off and just rock it like that, but it looks hideous. The only reason why I went with this wheel is to prevent people from stealing my wheel. It gives them, you know, it's like an extra couple minutes to try to get to the lug nuts. Now, don't say they can't take them, but now I'm going to have to go back to the traditional. But see, I like that concave look. I don't like to have that deep dish wheel, but I don't know. If they look all right, you know, it won't be that bad. Maybe a little lip on there. But I'm trying to stay with the chrome, so let me know what you guys think and what wheel I should run on this truck, and maybe I'll buy that one. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.